Hello, kid. Well, I'm sure you have heard about the early man. Well, they lived years ago. But have you ever seen a picture of an early man driving a Mercedes? No, right? Let me tell you how the modes of transport were evolved down the ages on road. Nowadays, if we want to go somewhere, what do we usually do? Usually, we take a bus or a car. All of these are so easily available, isn't it? But because it is easily available, we take them for granted. But let me tell you, during the old days, these modes of transport were not readily available. People had to suffer a lot because of that. So let's see how the modes of transport got evolved. So, can you think which was the first form of transport on road? Let me tell you. Well, the early man used to walk. So, walking was the first form of transport on road. So, wherever they had to go, they had to walk. But don't you think it's tiring if the person has to walk for long distances? Of course it is. So, walking for long distances is tiring and time consuming. So, they had to think of some different ways of transport. So, first they started rearing animals. So, what did they do? Well, they kept different kind of animals and reared them like the cows, bullocks, horses. So, how did these help him? Well, you can see over here that traveling was made much easier. How? Well, traveling on domesticated animals helped them. Now, they did not have to walk for long distances. They could sit on the animal and go wherever they wanted. But there were some problems. If you see over here, we see one person sitting on this animal. So, the first problem was only one or two people could sit or travel at a time on the animal. The second problem was that the animals were costly. Moreover, they required food, proper care, which was difficult for the early man to provide. So, what happened after that? Well, the best invention was made in the history of transport. What is that? Well, it is the wheel, the circular thing which helps the transport to move. So, the wheel was invented in 3500 BC. So, after the wheel was invented, what did the human beings do? Well, they formed a new form of transport by combining animals and the wheels. And this new form of transport came to be known as the cart. So, now the human beings could sit on the cart and go to far away places. But there was a problem. The animals were costly and they needed food and proper care. So, maintaining the animals and using them for transport also became a difficulty for the people. So, what did they do? Well, after the wheel was invented, they formed a transport known as bicycle. So, the bicycle was invented in 1817. So, this was light compared to the cart. So, now the human beings did not need the animals. They could pedal and go their way. So, here we see that the cart and the bicycle helped the human beings to travel. But what if they had to go to a different place which is far away? For example, in a different state, then what to do? Do you think the cart or the bicycle will help? No, this is not possible. So, for long distances, there came a transport which really helped all of us. What is that known as? It is the steam locomotive. This is one of the revolution that happened in the transport. So, the steam locomotive was invented in 1804. After the invention of steam locomotive, there were possibilities for human beings to travel to faraway areas. So, with the help of the steam locomotive, we got the train. Even till date, we use the train for going to different states or faraway areas, right? But this is a train which was invented after the steam locomotive. Now, what was the benefit? The train could carry more number of people for longer distances. So, previously we had seen that the animals could carry few people and the carts and bicycle could help the human beings to go for shorter distances. And all of these problems were curbed when the train came into the picture. So, what did the train do? The train could carry more number of people to faraway areas. Now, the train was available for faraway areas. What about the short distances? Even for that came the motorized transport. See, this is the first motorized car which was invented in 1886. So, this was the first motorized transport used for personal reasons. Now, what if more number of people want to travel shorter distances? The car cannot carry so many people. So, what happened? Well, then the buses came into use. So, here we see the motorized bus was used to carry more people for shorter distances. So, now we understood how the mode of transport on land got evolved down the ages. Let's revise. What was the first one? It was walking. The early men used to walk for long distances. Then what did they do? They started rearing animals and traveling became better using the domestic animals. They had some problems. The first problem was only one or two people could travel at a time on an animal. Not only that, while traveling, if the animals were moving faster, people could fall off as well. And thirdly, the animals were expensive and they required food and proper care. So what did the human beings do? Well, they invented the wheel. And with the help of the wheel, they formed the cart by combining the wheel and the animal. So now what happened? More people could travel with the help of the cart. Even the bicycle was invented, which was lighter than the cart. But the bicycle and the cart could only help the human beings to travel for short distances. So what about the people who wanted to go to faraway distance? Well, for that was invented the steam locomotive, which gave us the trains, which helped human beings to go to faraway places. And for our personal use or for shorter distances, we got the motorized transport. Like nowadays, we can see the different kinds of cars and vehicles that we normally use. So, this is how the transport got evolved on land down the ages. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests. performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.